Hello friends, we know from lower invertebrate to higher invertebrate, all organisms are made up with the cell. Cell is the building blocks of the life. Cell is the basic unit of the life. From the cell, the most of the animals are developed. Now, in this session, we are explain how the cell are working and which part of the cell are carry forward. In the cell, there are different types of cell organelles are there, which each are having the different types of function. So in this session, we are going to see the cell organelles and its function. So let's go for one by one function. So let's go for one by one. The first cell organelles, which is very much important, play an important role in the cell, that is the cell wall. Cell wall is the protective covering of the cell, which all internal cell organelles, including the nucleus, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria and cytoplasm, which is the cell wall, plasma membrane, or also called as the cell membrane, and the cytoplasm. These are the three important parts or the cell organelles in the cell. First of all, the cell wall. Cell wall is the outer covering of the cell which protect the inner cell organelles of the cell. Another one, the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane or the cell membrane, which is the transportation of the food from one cell to another cell, or and another is a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is nothing but these are all cellular activities which is found in the cell. These are the cell organelles which is found in cell. When we enter into the cell, there are the mastermind of the cell is called as a nucleus. In the nucleus, there is the nucleolus, and in the nucleolus there is a chromosome, and through this chromosome there is whatever the genetic information from one cell to another cell, they are going to pass out, so that this is the nucleus is called as a brain of the cell, so that whatever the information from one cell to another cell, they pass through from the nucleus to other cell organelles and through other cell organelle to adjacent cell, so that the nucleus is very much important parts throughout the cell organelles. Now there are the transporter of the cell. From the nucleus, the whatever the message which is carried forward to the adjacent cell, there are different types of transporter present in the cell. This transporter is called as endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, and the ribosomes. Through the endoplasmic reticulum, whatever the message carry forward through the from the nucleus to other cell organelles, so that this transporter, which is very much important role to carry forward the message from nucleus to other cell organelles and from other cell organelles to adjacent cell. All activity of the cell organelles or the cell, there is one powerhouse which is called as a mitochondria. Through this mitochondria, all cell organelles or the cell through this from the mitochondria, the energy which is provided to the other cell organelles including the nucleus, so that the mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell. From mitochondria, different the cell organelles give provide the mitochondria provide the energy to other cell organelles and carry out. Mitochondria provide the energy to the cell organelles, ultimately the whole cell. Through this mitochondria, the ATP energy is provided to different types of cell organelles. That's why mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell. Another important cell organelles is the lysosomes. Lysosomes is the cell organelles which provide or which restrict the foreign particle to enter into the cell. Lysosomes which engulf the foreign particle which is not benefited to the cell, so that it's protect the whatever the waste include or transport in the cell, that protect the from the lysosomes. So that these are the cell organelles and its functions. Another cell organelle is a lysosomes. Lysosomes, it protect the cell from the other foreign particles by engulfing it, so that whatever the unwanted foreign particles or unwanted material which enter into the cell, the lysosomes engulf it and protect the cell. After that, there is the dumping side of the cell, that is called as the vacuoles. Vacuoles is also called as a storehouse of the food, water and other waste product, so that to build up the cell, and to this cell the food from higher invertebrate to higher vertebrate, including plants, microorganisms and animals, so that in the minute structure of the cell, these cell organelles play an important role.